Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just want to focus here on the intraday updates. Just a quick look here at what Bitcoin is doing after it potentially reversed in this wave 4 support region. Well, after possibly a circle wave 4 bottomed in our 5-wave move to the upside that we've been tracking. Bear in mind, a B wave could top at any time in this region. This is a very choppy move up from the recent lows here, from the 1st of May lows. So I call that a 3-wave move up so far, and maybe not even a completed one. So that B wave might still be unfolding, but it could top at any time. So for me, I'm using 64,360 as a main support. So if that breaks, it indicates to me that the B wave has likely topped, and it might send us down towards 58k again in wave 3 or 4, in a still unfolding 4th wave. Looking at this 5th wave to the upside, then if it's unfolding, it's not confirmed yet, similar ways, this rally from down here, from the 23rd of May low, is just in 3 waves. I call that only a 3-wave move. It could be 5, potentially. 1 second, just. But it's questionable. So I would prefer to see one more high, as I already said yesterday and in the previous video. So for me, this here is a wave 1, a wave 2, possibly the 3rd wave, which again has 5 waves. I'm not labeling that because I've literally run out of wave degrees, but actually I could actually increase the degree by 1, I think. And then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. But in purple, highlighted in purple, it's possible that this is already the 5th wave. But then it would be some kind of a diagonal. But even then, I would prefer it to go a little higher because the 5th wave didn't even reach the 1.618 extension. So I might take that off because that's what I'd like it to get to. 69.9k, better 70.2k for the 5th wave. And okay, what is this? Different ways of understanding that. It's possible that this is a 4th wave triangle here somehow. Or maybe the A wave was here. Not reliable, but it's possible that this, or maybe it's an internal triangle, like an A, B, and we're now coming down in wave C. Literally this, I would really like to take it off the chart, this triangle again, because it will likely fail. But we're dancing on that 23.6 fib level here, 68.9k. This is really a micro support zone. So this is the support zone, not the large one. But really this is, you could even call it nano support. So the smallest support region I've got, really, for the smallest wave degrees. 67.7 or 67.8k is relevant support now for one more direct high in wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possible 5 waves to the upside. That would be ideal. Why do we need the 5 waves? Well, we need the 5 waves because this 4th wave, when completed, needs to give us some signals, needs to give us some, confirmation. I'm already treating it as if it's bottomed, but obviously only as long as something breaks. And I need this support region on the chart to understand when the structure or the assumption breaks. That will happen below 67.7k basically, and one more high in a wave 5, could send us then to one of these next fibs basically, right? So if we get 5 waves up, then after that, I can give you the next support region for the next 3-wave pullback. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 already in, which means if we break this support area, I'm still looking if it can possibly, after the initial 5-wave move up, which is questionable, if it maybe can still hold a higher low and then move from there. But that would be questionable, but it would just mean, we're still in the larger support zone, right? So it wouldn't be bearish if we break this support region here, the smallest one between 67.7 and 68.9k, but it would also not be great. Okay, so for the ideal confirmation that this larger 4th wave bottomed on the 23rd of May, I need 5 waves up. I might then call that another wave 1, and then we are looking for the wave 2 pullback, which should be corrective in an A, B, C pattern. Often we say that a wave 2 finishes in the region of a wave 4 of 1 lesser wave degree. So that might be somewhere here, depending on where the wave 4 really finishes. Obviously too early to say. So it might be around 68.5k, maybe 68. And then if we get these 5 waves complete, a 3-wave pullback, then we should see further upside continuation towards 76.5k. At least, okay, at least. So that's what I'm tracking. Yeah, that's basically it at the moment. There is not much happening. Today, our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC, we're going to talk about Bitcoin top indicators. There's a range of indicators that might be worth observing as we're heading, you know, let's say towards the next sort of towards the bull market high, right? I mean, we're still far away, but as we get closer, it's worth keeping these in mind. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.